Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Libras. For your daily energies, Libras, we are picking cards, guys. But today's reading is going to be different. It's going to be a complete love reading. So we are picking cards for your present situation, Libras, and for your future of this connection. So what is your present state and what is the future where this connection is going? So these cards are for your present situation, guys, and these cards are for the future of this connection. So first we will see what cards are there for your present and for your future. We will open these cards here. So let's start with your present relationship, guys. What is the circumstance? Magician, Tower, and Four of Fire. So with these cards, Libras, we see that there are some inevitable changes happening in this connection. Maybe the way you feel or the way this person feels or way they are in this relationship, in this connection. So something is different, something is surprising you, taking you by surprise, maybe their behavior, or maybe when you know the truth about them, something, some knowledge, maybe, guys. So things are going really fast for you, the way it is changing. And though for some of you it may be some kind of a drastic change, some negative change, which is worrying you a lot, but I see that you are moving towards something positive in life. That is the reason for this sudden upheaval in this connection, guys. And you are having that desire in yourself built because of this situation. You want to put in your efforts, try your best to make this connection work, or try your best to have this person. So you are making those efforts, trying hard, guys. This may be your energy or this person's energy. You are exploring the opportunities for yourself in this connection, and you are making those genuine efforts. Maybe for some of you this connection may work magic, guys. Your efforts are going to work that magic that is necessary to bring that meaningful understanding with this person. But for some of you, I see that you may be drifting apart and you may find the person best suited for you today. So maybe this person may not be the person for you today, may because of these differences that you have. If you are able to, if you both are able to work out those differences, this connection will work, guys. If not, you will find others who will be in sync with you, in sync with your feelings and desires, and you will be celebrating that connection, that friendship. So that is what I see for your present situation, guys. But I see you are working together. So maybe these struggles or fights that you have with each other, that is going to pave the path to a better understanding. So you will know what is the truth in this person's words and what is the truth that is there in their heart. When so in some negative situations, guys, we get so much learning better than the positive circumstances. So it means a better understanding today with this person because of these fights. So let us see what are these cards for your future of this connection. It's 10 of air, World, and Six of Air. So, with these cards for your future relationship, Libras, future of this connection, I see that your perception is changing so much so that you see your circumstance with clarity and you are aligning yourself with that perfection. So whatever is working for you, you are going to make that happen for you. And you are fearless to take some important decisions today, and there are great changes happening in your life, and you feel that you are a much more wiser and a knowledgeable person today in your future, and you are calm and collected, composed to make some important decisions. Some kind of transitions is what we see, and it is proceeding towards some new beginning in your situation, guys. It is a necessary thing that is happening. Maybe today, this transition or that some change in your connection that may overwhelm you, worry you a lot, but these are necessary changes that are proceeding towards something positive. So you're ending the old ways of thinking. We see something is ending and something is beginning in your future, guys. So whatever is not working for you, your circumstances, all that negative circumstances are coming to a graceful end, and you have learned your valuable lessons, and you are moving on with your life, and you are feeling thankful. You feel that a sense of gratitude overwhelming you today. In your future, guys, we see these energies for your future. So you are having that overwhelming gratitude for your situation today, and you have learned your lessons, Libras. You know what you need today. So we see that maybe for some of you, with this person, you may not have a future, guys. Future may be different for some of you, but for some of you, if you are working and if you want this connection, and if it is true love, and for that love, if you are able to do anything and everything, we see a future, guys, Libras. So that is what I see for the future of this connection, guys. I hope you like this reading. If you like this kind of reading, guys, please let me know. Please give in your suggestions in comments. So I'll be doing more of such readings in future. Thank you for watching this video, Libras. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.